Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register on SFOX, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the SFOX website. On the home page, locate and click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, you will see a registration form that requires your email address. Enter a valid email address that you have access to. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering your password, you may need to confirm it by typing it again. Look for any checkboxes that require you to agree to SFOX's terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure to read these documents before agreeing. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button. You should receive a verification email shortly after submitting your details. Open your email inbox and look for the email from SFOX. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will redirect you back to the SFOX website. You may need to log in again using your email and password. Once logged in, you will be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in any additional information requested, such as your name and phone number. Next, verify your identity by following the prompts to submit identification documents. This process helps ensure the security of your account. After your documents are reviewed and approved, you can proceed to fund your account. Choose your preferred funding method and follow the instructions provided. Once your account is funded, you are ready to start trading on SFOX. Congratulations, you have successfully registered and are now ready to explore the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.